Had my visor up for 1 second, I got smacked by a bug. Welcome back, guys, for a brand new YouTube video here today. Whew, I don't know what it is, but it's been raining the past few days and I've really wanted to go for a ride, so I decided to jump up on the bike. Today I want to talk about the 3 bikes I'm considering getting for my next bike. I'm not really sure what one I want yet. I have doing like a lot of research on it, and honestly I'm just trying to get like the best like bang for my buck. With that being said, I'm trying to be able to modify the bike, so I kind of want one where there's a lot of options I can do. The first bike I'm looking at is the Aprilia RS660, the acid gold one. In my opinion, that thing looks sick. So I'm thinking about that bike, but it is pretty pricey. It only has like 88 horsepower, which, don't get me wrong, is a lot, but looking at like the 2020 R6 from Yamaha, those things are just badass, like, oh my gosh. So, and those ones have like 117 horsepower, so I don't know. And I know with the R6s you have a lot more rooms for modifications and stuff. Oh, alright, don't kill me. For modifications and stuff, so I don't know. And then the last one, I don't even know how to say the word right, but it's like Panigale V2, the white one. Oh dude, that bike is just something else. My visor's fogging up hella bad. Alright, we have some person running in the road. Not trying to kill you. Thank you. Alright. Oof. Yeah. Man, I guess Halloween is over. Whew, I could take Snoopy off, but we'll leave him. But yeah, honestly, I just don't know what bike I want my next bike to be. The R6 does look very appealing, and I don't even know if I'm ready for like something faster than the R6, you know? Because this is only like 40 something horsepower, and then jumping all the way up to like 117, that's a big jump. Obviously I'm ready to move up, but that's why I'm kind of hesitant if I should get the Ducati, the Panigale V2, because that bike will be way more powerful than this bike. And the R6s just look like crazy aggressive, like they look really sick. So I don't know. But yeah, definitely just wondering what my next bike should be, because I'm on my way to like 4,000 miles already, which reminds me I need to get my oil changed here within about 400 miles. It'll be ready. Now I still have 500 miles till it's ready, but I don't know. Damn. But yeah, I don't know, it's just, I don't know when I want to move up either. Like, I'm ready to get a new bike. I wanted it to be the freaking acid gold one, whatever, but now that I'm looking at it, I finally found my YouTube brand. I finally found what I want to build on. So the color really doesn't matter, because I'm going to end up getting a custom wrap anyways for my bike. So it's like, yeah, I should pick a bike that has a nice solid color underneath that I like, but it's not really that necessary because I'm going to invest into like a $1,500 wrap. But yeah, I'm not sure. I'm just looking like for what my next bike is. I'm not sure if I want to get it like now or if I want to wait, because I am moving to Florida soon, and when I live in Florida it's gonna be like off the chains. But I don't know, I just want my next bike to be like a solid bike I can build and really grow this channel with. So I'm not trying to get something that's like too outdated, but I mean, I know it's possible, like with Mustangs and stuff like that, you can buy an older year and just mod them out. But yeah guys, drop a comment down below, what bike do you think I should get next? Should it be the Acid Gold Aprilia 660? Should it be the 2020 R6? Or should it be Panigale V2 Ducati? That bike is just, the white one is just insane. Bike just looks crazy as hell. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Definitely excited to get the new bike. Alright. Can't fucking see shit. It's so cold, my visors keep fogging. Excuse me, thank you. A little U-turn action, yep.
I lost my friend to a bullet in his brain, and all these people play his life like it's a game. It's time, don't you panic, it hurts like I'm abandoned. Grab the 30 automatic, had to leave him where he's standing. I've been on a G-code since Tino. He knows that I know that he knows I'm lethal. I've been up and at it, can explain how much it's tragic. I've been grinding for my paper, fuck the fame, bro, you can have it. My time I learned to manage, I'm on it just for the baggage. If you smoke, I've had it, especially if you roses and candles. And my love is anxious, you don't trust me, fuck you, you be hating. Your love is hard to handle, and I've been feeling just me. So me, you can't take this. Roses and candles, and my love is so fucked up at a gamble. It's crazy on this damn road, and I've been losing so much friends, oh damn, I can't stand it.